customer service from day one has been our top priority. So if there's a tool we could use for us to be able to improve that and to hear from more of our guests, that really, spoke our language. So we were definitely willing to give it a try. Before we started using real-time feedback, we were averaging ballpark, say 2,000 customer reviews, online reviews a month. And now, since we've rolled it out to all of our stores, we are probably averaging ballpark 3,500. So that's a significant increase. Since we've gone with real-time feedback, we now, for the past 3 months, have averaged 4.9 stars. So real-time feedback has been giving us a more competitive edge when it comes to that. And we're seeing that from feedback from our customers. So we're getting the information faster, we're able to respond faster, which right out of the gate impresses the guest by how fast we're able to respond. And being able to respond, before reviews go public and giving us a chance to get things rectified and win them over is big plus. On the internal part, I think that's been very well received to where our employees now see a very simple way for them to report up any concerns or questions they have. So we think it helped our stores improve their standards even more because we made it so easy for a customer to contact us, that it really has made the stores executing at an even higher level.